Here I have iPad 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to connect AirPods Pro to this device. So firstly, you will have to enable Bluetooth on your iPad. Then you have to open case, hold down button on it for it to enter pairing mode. And when this light is glowing, just tap connect and this appeared window. And now you have this AirPods controls tutorial. You can skip it. You can set up Hey Siri for it too and other announced calls and notifications, but these features are unessential. We are here just connecting AirPods Pro. So if you want to disconnect from them, tap here, and you can either disconnect from them or forget this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.